What if you already have the key to younger-looking skin and joints that are free of discomfort in your kitchen cupboards? It is not uncommon for the most basic foods found in nature to have the most potent remedies. This video is for you if you are a senior citizen living in the United States who is interested in regaining your vitality and enhancing your health in a natural way. It is a common misconception that aches, pains, and wrinkles are inevitable with the aging process. But you are more powerful than you give yourself credit for. A natural transformation of your skin, joints, and strength may be achieved by consuming the top 3 collagen-rich nuts, which we will discuss today. Not only are these not costly therapies, but they are also delectable meals that you may begin to enjoy right now. This refers to the experience of feeling stronger, more flexible, and more confidence in your body as you approach your senior years. Your journey toward a healthier and more vibrant version of yourself starts right now. Top 3 nuts for collagen and vitality. Number 1. Almonds. When it comes to bright skin and effortless mobility, why do some people appear to age more slowly than others? Small decisions made on a daily basis, such as consuming almonds, are frequently the solution. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps preserve suppleness and protects against environmental stresses. Almonds are loaded with vitamin E, which is a strong antioxidant. The effect is similar to that of hydrating your skin from the inside out. Furthermore, almonds are a source of amino acids, which are the fundamental components of collagen, the protein that maintains the firmness of your skin and the flexibility of your joints. Wrinkles and joint discomfort are both symptoms of decreased collagen synthesis, which occurs as we get older. Eating almonds provides your body with the basic elements it needs to repair collagen, which helps to maintain the suppleness of your skin and the comfort of your joints. While the fiber in almonds helps with digestion and decreases inflammation, the beneficial fats in almonds help to moisturize your skin more effectively. Enough is only a handful, or around a quarter cup on a daily basis. You may eat them as a snack, sprinkle them over your porridge, or prepare baked goods with almond flour. Maintaining consistency is essential. Consuming almonds on a consistent basis is a straightforward action that can result in significant benefits. Not only are you developing a more youthful appearance, but you are also strengthening and enhancing the flexibility of your body. You may garden or play with your grandchildren without experiencing any stiffness in your joints if you consume almonds. Your skin, joints, and general health will all benefit from the synergistic interactions of these nutrients. One little, crunchy nut has all of the components of a holistic approach. Keep in mind that it is not about making significant changes. Rather, it is about making intelligent decisions on a regular basis. By consuming almonds, you are providing your body with the resources it requires to maintain its youthfulness and strength. Begin right now, and use the spring of youth that nature provides to work for you. The difference in how you appear and how you feel will be noticeable to you. It is a delectable method to promote your health on a daily basis. Almonds should be your go-to snack if you want to maintain your vigor. In order to begin your road toward healthy aging, you may begin with only 1 handful. Your body will be grateful to you if you take the first step now. You're laying the foundation for a healthy future by eating 1 delicious nut at a time. Number 2. Pistachios. Copper, a mineral that is necessary for the production of collagen, is abundant in this nut, which is rich in green color. Copper functions as a master architect, constructing tissues that are both strong and flexible by weaving together collagen and elastin. Copper deficiency causes the structure of your collagen to deteriorate, which in turn affects the health of your skin and joints. Pistachios contribute to the development of a robust foundation for your joints, therefore maintaining cartilage that is both strong and flexible. In addition, they contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which shield your skin from the harmful effects of pollution and ultraviolet light. Your skin will remain smooth and young with this 2-pronged strategy, which involves the creation of new collagen and the protection of existing fibers. Pistachios are also an excellent source of vitamin B6, which helps to maintain the health of your neurological system and muscles. When you shell pistachios, you slow down, which makes it easier to enjoy each bite and limit the amount of food you consume. A large and satiating snack, a serving contains around 49 pistachios, which is approximately 1 ounce. Take pleasure in eating them directly from the shell, sprinkle them on meals, or use them as a crust for chicken or fish meat. In the kitchen, they're flexible due to the sweet and deep flavor that they possess. The addition of pistachios to your diet provides your body with the copper it requires for the formation of strong collagen, as well as the antioxidants that are necessary to protect it. It's a delectable method to give your skin and joints the support they need. Make pistachios a regular part of your diet to give your body the long-term strength and resilience it needs. It will feel the difference. Number 3. Walnuts. When it comes to your body, this nut, which is shaped like a brain, is equally as strong. As a result of its capacity to increase collagen production and reduce inflammation, walnuts are currently generating headlines. Eating walnuts can raise the creation of collagen by as much as 30%, according to a research conducted at Harvard. That is a genuine and quantifiable improvement for both your skin and your joints. What is the key? Walnuts have a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ELA, which has the ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation causes cartilage to degrade, which in turn causes pain and stiffness in the joints. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have a calming effect on the body and protect the joints while also making mobility simpler. Imagine going on a walk, tending to your garden, or playing with your grandchildren without experiencing any discomfort. Furthermore, walnuts are beneficial to your skin since they lessen the appearance of redness and puffiness, as well as preserve collagen and elastin fibers. You may nourish your skin from the inside out with their beneficial fats, which will keep it supple and moisturized. Furthermore, walnuts are loaded with antioxidants and plant-based protein, which provides your body with the assistance it needs to repair and regenerate itself. 1/4 cup, or around 7 whole walnuts, is considered a serving. Include them in salads, combine them into smoothies, or simply eat them on their own as a snack. Their rich taste goes well with both sweet and savory foods. It is important to keep in mind that the Harvard study supports these advantages. When you consume walnuts on a regular basis, you are boosting collagen production, lowering inflammation, and providing your skin with nourishment. It is a straightforward method that is supported by scientific research to help your body live longer. If you want to feel more comfortable moving about and have more young skin, make eating walnuts a daily habit. 1 handful at a time, you are making the decision to choose vitality. In order to improve your health, you should allow nature and science to collaborate. Walnuts are your friend when it comes to healthy aging. When you begin today, you will immediately feel the difference. Your skin and joints will be grateful to you. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews, 4 nuts that have been found by us as having the most strong properties, according to scientific research. You now have a tool set at your disposal to help promote collagen, decrease inflammation, and create strength that will endure permanently. The pursuit of youth is not the focus of this endeavor. Rather, it is about empowering yourself and choosing choices that are both straightforward and delightful for your health. Provide your body with nourishment from the inside out and move with ease and vitality after doing so. When you begin incorporating these nuts into your regular routine, you will notice a significant improvement. Stay tuned for further natural health advice and feel free to share your experience in the comments section below.